Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is time for my January Boxycharm review. So I did my unboxing, you guys all watched it, and now I'm here to review the products that Boxycharm put in my boxy. So I love unboxings. I love getting products from subscription boxes. I know a lot of people see it as a waste of money. I see it as kind of like the push to try products I probably would never try. So to be honest, I've found a ton of amazing things through Boxycharm. I found a couple stinkers, and let's get into January's Boxycharm. I got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. It looks like this, but I'm going to be super honest with you. I'm super indifferent about this palette. There is one matte shade in here called Tiki. Doesn't show up on my skin whatsoever. Like, this is probably this is a horrendous, like, you're not even gonna be, it just blends into the skin. I don't think I like this formula in matte form. It's just like a shade, it's such a wasted shade. It's not dark enough to be a transition. It's not light enough to be a highlight. It's like almost a little bit satiny, not even fully matte, but it's like the mattest shade in this palette, and I don't like it. The shimmers are beautiful to create a subtle pop on the lid. Now this is if you're going for a really subtle look. You can use them wet, but to be honest, I just don't think that this is anything to write home about. The shades are super basic. I have them 1,000 times over. I will say that these two shades together though, Escape and Treasure, these two together, I've been using them as a highlight. They look like this, and to me, that's more like of a highlight on your skin, so you can see there. So I've actually been using this way more as a highlight palette this month than an eyeshadow palette, because to me, they just don't, they're like so pretty. Don't get me wrong, like I'm not trying to sound like a selfish little asshole, but they don't supply the pack that I want. Like if I'm gonna have an all shimmer palette, I want these to be so metallic and or so shimmery that when I put them on my eye, it is the accessory that the eye look needed. I can just pat it on with my finger, and while these give a very pretty effect, they're a little bit chalky and chunky to the point that they don't give that like oomph of a shimmer shadow that I want on my eyelid from a shimmer palette. God, I'm gonna sound like such a jerk saying this, but the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, it was nice. It was like a milky texture on the skin. We got two, and I, to be honest, did not notice a big difference in my skin. In fact, I really didn't notice a difference at all. It was nice and it was luxurious. It was a wonderful self-care item, but in terms of, did it do something amazing that changed my skincare routine forever and changed my skincare? No, not at all. So I think I can say that really honestly because in December's Boxy Luxe, the Elemis cream literally changed my life. I'm already out of it. I want another one so bad, but it's so expensive. So I know what I like and I know what I want from skincare. And I know this is just a mask, but it just didn't feel like it did anything on my skin. It didn't feel like it gave me any after effects. It was cooling, it was nice, but to be honest, I'm not a huge sheet mask person. They creep me out a little bit. I don't like the feeling of them sliding down my face, and this just, afterwards, I looked the same. I'm really happy to get a Tatcha product though. Tatcha is a great brand. I have a ton, not a ton, but I have a couple things from Tatcha that I absolutely adore. But I mean, like I said, a face mask is just so quick, it's hard to tell the skincare benefits from it. The Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask, I'm going to say that I'm very biased against this. I'm very biased because I have been putting it in my hair, but lately, and most of the time, I have just been air drying my hair. I'll spray this in and then just putting it in a bun for days to go to work. So I don't want it to be like, oh, it wasn't super luxurious and it didn't make my hair feel amazing. I honestly, throughout the whole month, even when I was using this, didn't really do anything with my hair. I'm just not a hair person. I'm really not. So I have used Briogeo products in the past, but I don't want to like yay or nay this because, like I said, even though I did use it and spray it in my hair, the hair went straight up into a bun for the next 3 days and then I went to sleep. So benefits that it gave my hair, I don't know. I have to do it. I have to use this more at a time in a month where, you know, I want to let my hair down. I want to not be so busy with work. But unfortunately, I've been so lazy about work lately. Waking up super late, throwing my hair in a bun and running out the door. So I've used this product in the past. I remember kind of liking it, but I don't want to say I love it or crap all over it when, to be honest, I can't really give you an honest opinion because I'm a lazy hair person. Guys, I don't mean for this to be a negative video, but I honestly think this was probably my least favorite Boxycharm ever. So if you don't like that negativity, you could just click out because I'm about to really take a big dump on some products. The Starlooks eyeliner is useless. At first I was like, okay, it's an eyeliner, but then it was like Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil, so I expected it to be black or brown. It is a light pink, which you could be like, don't mind all the orange on my hand, like look at how much orange is on my eyes and just, you know. So you can be like, Meg, it's different, it's unique, so I was like, let me give it a try. Like, you can see it there. It looks better there than it does in real life. This didn't come up on my eyelids at all. On my eyelids, it just faded away into the pinkness of my skin. It did absolutely nothing but get tiny little micro glitters stuck in my eyelashes. This didn't even show up in the slightest. Like, I'm rubbing this on my hand, but like I said, when you're going over your eye, it just didn't come up at all. There was nothing there. And I thought, like, this could be unique, this could be different. Underneath my eye, it's just this almost the same pinkish undertone of my skin, and it blended away. It didn't even blend away, like it's staying power. It didn't even come off. It's just, this was such a throwaway product. I felt like Boxycharm was just like, and for you. Here's an eyeliner that is no color, that will define your eye whatsoever, and when you try to make it cute and a little accent, it just doesn't show up. So this product was just a total fail for me. Last but not least was my biggest fail, and it was my Smith & Colt Love Sucker liquid lipstick. Now, not only did I hate the color, as you saw in my video, which I will show you now. Like, this looked horrendous on my skin, but I don't like the formula either. A lot of people suggested that I try it ombre, and I did. This is a very patchy, dry formula, and when you put it on your lips, it shows, you know, like where you swish your doe foot, so I go swish, swish. When it dries down, you can see where I swished it. So it shows like, it's streaky. That is the word I'm looking for. It is so streaky on the lips, and I would go over and over and over it on my lips, and it was just streakathon, okay? And it dries down to where it just makes my lips look a little crackled. And I would even try to do, you know, the good old ombre look, and it's just, could that be pretty? 100%, yes. But when I'm going to work in the morning, or I'm running out the door and I don't feel like just sitting and doing my makeup for fun or anything like that, is this a completely useless product for me? Yes. I'm not going to sit here in the morning when I have 15 minutes to get ready for work and reach for this to make an ombre lip, you know? I'm just not. I'm gonna throw on a trusty thing or a color I love or something that looks great. This is not it. Like, I will insert a picture of me trying to use this product, and it just doesn't work out for me. And I tried, and like I said, I did get it to look semi-decent with an ombre lip, but I just don't really ever go for an ombre lip. Not that I'm saying I never will, it's just, it's not in my everyday quick get out the door routine, go kick ass for the day at work. It's just, that's not part of my routine. I'm not gonna take 10 minutes of my morning to create an ombre lip. Do I wish I had that much extra time before work? Yes. Should I and finally wake my ass up Yes. Will I? Probably not. That was my Boxycharm video for the month of January review. I'm excited for my February box. I can't wait to unbox it with you guys, see what we get. But other than that, this was probably one of my least favorite Boxycharms. Like I said, super negative video, but super real opinions coming at you. So that's just life, and this is Walgreens, even though it's really not Walgreens. That's just life, and this is Wallflower. just take me outside. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous evening. Bye.